Hey, it's another install on the 4Runner tonight, and up next are taillights. These are the Eagle Eyes taillights. These have the black housing and clear lens. I think they're gonna look great on the black truck. I did the front facelift a couple of weeks ago, made a video, check it out. I think these are really gonna finish out the look. So let's get these installed. If you're upgrading your 2010 to 2013, it does not have the same wiring harness as the 2014 Plus. You need to pick up these guys from Toyota. There's the part number, and from there it's just a plug and play. There's a single socket that plugs in, that unclips. On the 2014 harness, this large plug goes to the vehicle. This is the top LED, this is the middle LED, and then this is for the reverse, and you'll use the old bulb for that. I plugged everything in right there because I wanted to make sure that everything was working on this side before feeding the wires through and bolting it in. Everything is working, so now I can pull out the top bulb. That will need to be fed through here along with the resistor, which can be mounted inside the body panel. Pretty funny, I dropped one of the nuts for the taillights. But if you do this, all is not lost. It fell down there, and after removing a couple panels, I found it all the way down there. So, take stuff apart if it happens, and don't do it in the first place. I just finished the second one. It took all of 10 minutes. I think this is probably one of the easier upgrades you'll ever have on the vehicle. If you don't drop anything like I did. But I think the lights look perfect. They're good, subdued look versus the chrome of the OEM, and they don't have the big white circles that some of the other aftermarket ones have that can be a little bit too crazy for me. So I think these look really good. Install is easy, and time will tell on how they last, if they get any moisture or anything like that. But I've seen that even the OEM ones will get moisture sometimes. So I'm gonna pull outside and see how they look at night.